The gas range is a cooking stove that uses gas combustion as a heating source. It's an all-in-one kitchen appliance that makes meal prep a breeze. With a stovetop and built-in oven, there's nothing you can't do. Whether it's cupcakes for the 4th of July or roasted turkey for Thanksgiving, a gas range will do all the work, roasting and baking for you. It's no wonder why it's the most used and commonly sold kitchen appliance in the US. Now, almost every household across the globe owns a piece of this kitchen appliance. If you're looking at getting another one or upgrading your current, continue watching this video as we'll share everything you need to know before buying a new gas range. If you're ready to see the best ranges in the market, then let's begin. Taking the top spot on our list is the 6.3 cubic foot slide-in gas range from LG. No doubt we've all had the experience of having a difficult time cleaning our gas range after cooking a large meal. Hard to remove grime and lingering smells may take a toll on you if you're using an ordinary convection oven. This product will put an end to those cleaning woes. It has an easy clean feature that provides the simplest, quickest way to clean the oven. You no longer have to scrub crust or residue off, as it conveniently cleans up in as fast as 10 minutes. All you need to do is spray the interior oven with water and press the Easy Clean button. LG ranges are perfectly built for baking, and that includes this model. Inspired by the Pro Style series, the Pro Bake Convention oven provides evenly baked goods in every rack. With 3.6 cubic feet in capacity, it can handle more than a 24-pound turkey, spacious enough for larger pots, pans, skillets, or baking trays. It also bakes 20% faster compared to regular ovens, helping you prepare food in a shorter amount of time. Aside from serving you perfectly baked goods, the Pro Bake Convection oven has a lot more to offer. It's a brilliant blue interior that upgrades the usual look of an oven. And of course, there's the oversized window where you can easily view and monitor the progress of your meal. Going on the top part of this gas range is the 6 LG 17,000 BTU Super Boil burners. These high heat burners bring water and other liquids to boil without even noticing. If you think that's all, allow us to tell you that LG surely made this product extra special, because it comes with intuitive smooth touch glass that helps you control the range with just one touch of your finger. Cleaning the smooth touch glass is as easy as it is to operate. Simply wipe the surface with a clean cloth and then it's good for another round. The angled controls of this slide-in gas range are also a plus. Sleek and stylish, these angled controls will leave the power in your hand, from adjusting the heat to turning off the burner. All of these features carefully designed by LG to make your life easier. At number 2 is the Whirlpool 5.8 cubic foot smart slide-in gas range. Make your kitchen smarter with the most advanced gas range on the market. From cooktops, hoods, microwaves, Whirlpool has now introduced one of their best-in-class gas ranges with the Smart Slide-In. You'll be simply amazed as we unveil the beauty and uniqueness of this product. This cooking appliance is equipped with a scan-to-cook technology that will help you get the right cooking setting for frozen food. You can conveniently send a recommended or customized cooking setting right to your oven by merely scanning the food's barcode with your smartphone or tablet. As long as there's a Wi-Fi connection, all of the futuristic features of this product can easily be controlled using the Whirlpool app on your mobile device. To make things even better, the Whirlpool equips the gas range with the easy-to-lift hinged cast iron grates that make cleaning fast and hassle-free. It lets you clean spills and grime on the cooktop without removing the grates. For a more thorough cleaning, you can conveniently detach and put them in the dishwasher. You can also get instant access to the settings with the innovative touchscreen. Last but not least, the construction of the Whirlpool Smart Glide-In gas range. It comes in elegant black stainless steel and is resistant to fingerprints and smudges. You'll never have a problem as to where to place the range, as it beautifully blends in with any kitchen decor and appliances. It's ADA height and operation compliant, and also backed up with a 1-year limited warranty. At number 3 is the Profile 5-burner 5.6 cubic foot self-cleaning true convection slide-in gas range from GE. If you're looking for high-tech and stylish in a gas range, then look no further. It has the Chef Connect feature that lets you sync the clocks on your range to another GE Chef Connect compatible device, so you don't have to set or change different clocks or timers. Controlling the oven anywhere is also made possible with the Smart Range. Its oven functions can be controlled remotely using a GE Appliance Kitchen app. To access the app, all you need is a smartphone or tablet and a Wi-Fi connection. GE constructed this gas range with 5 21,000 BTU tri-ring burners that provide the heat needed for sautéing, searing, frying, and flambeing. Its edge-to-edge cooktop makes it easy to switch from one burner to another, giving you ample space to cook several dishes at a time. If you like grilled asparagus or chicken, the dual-purpose center burner will help you make that without having to use a griddle pan. This product has an integrated griddle that adds versatility on the range, allowing you to cook almost anything your taste buds desire. The true European convection oven of the GE Profile gas range is also one of the features you shouldn't miss. This oven produces delicious and evenly baked or roasted foods by combining the third heating element and fan. Monitoring the progress of your food is also made more comfortable with the precision temperature probe. Again, you can access this unique feature using the GE Appliance Kitchen app. After baking or cooking a set of meals, it comes time for cleanup, but with the GE Profile gas range, it's even easier. Its never scrub oven racks can conveniently be cleaned together with the oven. There is a self-clean option with extra steam clean that can do the cleaning for you. You can save your energy to plan what to cook next instead of spending your time scrubbing out the oven. Best of all, this product is covered by GE's limited 1-year appliance warranty. What did you think of our first 3 gas ranges? We hope our research team has helped you narrow down your selection of a great gas range. We aim to provide viewers with the best buying guides. If we missed anything, or if there's some other appliance you want us to review, let us know in the comments and we'll do our best to grant your request. Before we continue with our list, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to become part of our growing community. For more updates, tap the bell icon. And now back to our list. At number 4 is the 5.8 cubic foot slide-in range with self-cleaning dual convection oven from Samsung. Start creating your ideal kitchen with the best gas range in the market. This product has a black stainless steel construction with a fingerprint resistant finish that keeps the range shiny even when you get little hands on it. The slide-in design makes it easier to set the range even for small spaces. The best part is on the exterior. There is an extra large oven window where you can monitor the progress of your roasts or baked goods. This gas range is equipped with a dual power burner that uses 2 independent heating elements with powers ranging from 18,000 to 21,000 BTUs. At that heat, you can simmer vegetables or bring water to a boil in no time. What's more, cooking for a large group is more convenient. Its oval burner is specifically designed for oversized pots or pans, helping you prepare a meal for a whole family without running out of space. Going down to the 5.8 cubic foot convection oven, this gas range bakes and roasts perfectly no matter how much you put in it. The temperature is distributed evenly inside, so there's no underbaked pastry or overcooked meat with this product. It comes with a warming drawer that you can use to keep your cooked meal warm. Plus, a temperature probe that will see to it that your food is adequately cooked the way you want. And to make it more convenient, there's also a self-clean cycle that instantly cleans the interior of the oven so you can have more time to do other things. At number 5 on our list is the LG Studio gas range with self-cleaning oven in black stainless steel. This product may be the final item on our list, but it's leading the industry when it comes to innovative features and design. The LG Studio Kitchen Appliance series combines elegant functions with a modern look that beautifully blends with any kitchen style. It upgrades the traditional stainless look with a classy satin smooth finish, to complement the unique taste of its customers. And to maintain that beauty, LG polished this product with the easy-to-clean fingerprint and smudge-resistant finish. More than just the exterior is, of course, the features. This range has the Smart Think technology that will change the way you cook your food. Remember the time when you needed to closely monitor the oven just to prevent your food from getting burned? Well, no more with the LG Studio. Having the range equipped with artificial intelligence technology, you can check the status of the stove top or oven by merely using the Smart Think app. Another feature of this product that outshines the other brands is its unique brass burner that resists stains and burnt-on grime. These UltraHeat 18,500 BTU burners will make meal prep faster and easier, powerful enough to accommodate your cooking needs from boiling, simmering, sautéing, and more. For your baking or roasting needs, the LG ProBake Convection is ready to take all of your cravings with its 6.3 cubic feet in capacity. With the LG infrared system, you can even grill your favorite kebabs or burger patties 22% faster without burning coils or preheating the stove. All of it done in the comfort of your own kitchen. Best of all, LG backs this product with a 2-year warranty on parts and labor. And there you have it, the top-rated, best-selling gas ranges on the market. If you're interested in purchasing one of them, we have links in the description box below. Let us know if we've missed one of your trusted brands, or if there's another appliance you'd like to see us review by writing your suggestions in the comments. Before we end the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more of our product reviews and become part of our growing community as well. Make sure to tap the bell icon to get notified once we upload new videos on our channel. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you again in our next video here at the ReviewTube channel.